And we're going to turn it and let it stand like this. Look at this.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Recently, Appa saw someone did a very unique way on how to make the fish stand by itself on the steaming plate, so that the steaming process can be a lot more efficient. Number two, it looks good. Yeah, it looks good, and this is how we are going to do it. So first of all, you need to, of course, wash the fish thoroughly. Always make sure all the blood stain in the middle here is properly washed off, because that is the fish kidney, and that is the source of fishiness. All right. So the next thing, it is how you cut it. First of all, on the first side, you're going to make few slits on the fish body. You can cut it diagonally like this. Right, so that you have something like this. Then flip it over. So now what we are going to do here is you're going to cut somewhere in the middle, straight, and you're going to push it to the back against the middle bone, and you're going to turn around, do the same thing, push it against the middle bone, but now you're going to push it to the front. Right, so these two parts here now is going to become a stand for your fish. It will become a stand. So how is this going to become a stand? Let me very quickly show you. Now that we have a steaming plate, this is the fish, and we're going to turn it and let it stand like this. Look at this. Look at how the fish can stand very nicely on the plate. So by doing so, the steaming process will be a lot more efficient, and it will look even better when the fish finish steaming. All right, now you have a clearer angle right now. So next thing, you're going to marinate the fish with a little bit of fine salt. Remember last time you used to put two chopsticks, yeah, at the bottom to raise the fish. Now no need. The fish is already raised by itself. And then we are going to put a few pieces of ginger. Just put some at the bottom, at the fish cavity. Right. Then we're going to send this to your steamer. So first of all, bring your steamer to a minimum 100 degrees Celsius and above. I'm using a combi oven here, so it is also a steamer. So we put the fish inside, let it do its job, steam it for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. While waiting for the fish to be steamed, we can quickly prepare the garnish and also the steamed fish sauce, very simple ones. I have some sliced spring onion, sliced red chili, sliced ginger, all right, these three things. And then we are going to very quickly prepare some real simple steamed fish sauce. Give it a little bit of water here, filtered water, a bit of light soy sauce, meaning we have diluted the light soy sauce so that it's not too salty, and some garlic oil. There you go, good enough. This will be a pretty nice steamed fish sauce by itself. Of course, you want to mix it up. Right, this is after approximately 10 minutes. Let's see if my fish is still standing. Wow. We let the steam to go out first. Let's come and see my fish. Is it still standing? Okay, light out a little bit, but still the head is still rising up. The tail part a bit lower right now, but I think from here we will know that next time maybe when I want to cut, the split in the middle, I will probably split a little bit towards the head part so that we have thicker, we actually have a thicker meat at the tail side so that the tail can also raise higher. But basically, it's a success. Right, basically I have removed the fishy water. That is the source, the steamed fish water. That is the source of fishiness. You must remove it. All restaurant, Chinese restaurant will 100% remove those water, yeah? So that is the source of fishiness. Now we have remove the ginger as well. Next thing, going to pour in the steamed fish sauce. All right. And we will garnish it with ginger, scallion, and also red chili. And I will put some fried garlic on top. There you go. That's how simple to make your fish stands. Quite interesting. First time I'm trying it also. Very, very interesting. All right, so here's my very simple but very unique way of steaming fish. Appa is sharing with you all today. I hope you all like it. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, you click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. You never need to raise the fish using any chopstick anymore. All right, thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye-bye.